Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the substitute function in Microsoft Excel. Substitute function is one of the very useful functions for text manipulation. By taking the help of these two examples, we will explore what we can do using this function. Let's get started. First, look at the description and syntax of the function. Substitute replaces existing text with a new text in a text string. It has 4 arguments. Text is the original text which needs to be manipulated. Old text is the text which you need to change or replace. New text is the text which you need to replace with. Instance number is the number of occurrence that you need to replace. Instance number is optional parameter. If you skip this, all instances of the text will be replaced. In this first example, there are mobile numbers in column A. Requirement is to change these numbers to plain text format by removing the dashes. In this case, you can use the substitute function. Press is equal to type substitute, open parentheses. In text, select the mobile number. Put a comma. In old text, put dash enclosed by double quotations. Put a comma. In the new text, put blank by typing double quotes twice. Skip the instance number parameter because we have to replace all occurrence of dashes with blank. Close parentheses and hit enter. Drag the formula down. Here you see, the mobile numbers are now in clean format with no dashes. Head on to second example, where there is employee details. If you see here, ID is repeated twice. The second ID should be name. In this case, we have to replace the second instance of ID with name. For this, the instance number parameter needs to be passed in the formula. Press is equal to type substitute, open parentheses. In text, click on the original text. Put a comma. In old text, type ID enclosed by double quotes. Put a comma. In new text, put name enclosed by double quotes. Put a comma. In instance number, put 2. Because we need to replace the second occurrence of ID with name. Close parentheses and press enter. Here you see, the details is now corrected with ID and name. Drag the formula down for other cells. So, that was all about how to use the substitute function in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.